Alright, well, I had an amazing time in Nashville, but it's time to head to Atlanta. You ready to roll? This is the difference between Illinois rest areas and southern rest areas where you actually have something to look at. Look at this view from a rest area. I'm only in Atlanta for 24 hours. I'm not even fully unpacking. I'm just literally bringing things in that I know are temperature sensitive. I may try and go out and shoot some pictures tonight of the city at night. I'm probably gonna try and check out really early from this Airbnb because I really haven't enjoyed it either. It says there's guaranteed parking, but I don't know if there was just a lot of people visiting here today or what, but I couldn't get parked, so I just parked on the street to pick up the dog and my camera gear to try and go out. And I was in the house for maybe 90 seconds to 2 minutes, and I immediately got a parking ticket. All right, so Atlanta has been a complete and total bust for me. I tried to go out and take pictures and everything went wrong. My GoPro broke, my bike broke, Airbnb was not very good. First, they sent me to the wrong Airbnb. When I got in here, my bathroom reeks of mold. Bed is extremely uncomfortable. People were extremely nice that I met in the street. There wasn't a ton of people just because I wasn't out very much and I've only was here for a little over 24 hours, but pretty much all packed up here this morning. I'm gonna check out early, have to load up Prue's stuff, and then I can get out of here, so. All right, girl. Let's head to Florida.